Alright guys, so here is the trailer I picked up last night. It is 5.5 by 12. It is a homemade trailer, but not bad, especially for the price I got it for. I got a really good deal on it. Fairly long. No real issue towing it last night. The car did great. The Kia did absolutely great towing it. No issue. Got straps on there because I'm going to take this to Lowe's and Home Depot to go get the stuff. Probably going to go ahead and take off the toolbox since that takes up like a foot of space. I should have just had the guy take it off, but oh well, I can keep it and put stuff in it anyway. But yeah, I got these straps. These are just some Harbor Freight straps. Some cheap ones. But otherwise it's good. The wood's a little bit messed up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna... I might keep it and just seal it. I'm not 100% sure yet. It's not the best, but I'm gonna try to, just attach the plywood to it. And then go through the metal. Since there is, a metal lip on the underside here. But yeah, I'll go ahead and take that out. But yeah, and I think I'm gonna mount each of the studs just kind of to like in here between down here and here, and then they'll go up and kind of go from there. I am planning to do this as a foamy trailer. If you guys have ever seen that, basically it's instead of using plywood for the walls and whatnot, people use foam. I'll probably go with like a 2-inch maybe. So this is exactly 2 inches right across here. So that's what I'm planning to go with. I'm gonna see how that works out. So go with that, and then go with I think 3x1 fairing strips. I'll have to see what it is, but go with the fairing strips. And then probably today work on putting the floor, and then work on putting in the fairing strips from there. So try to get everything I can that I can pull in the trailer for now, and then kind of go from there. But yeah, so let's go ahead over to Lowe's and Home Depot and go get some stuff, get the screws, get the foam, fairing strips, and all that. So let's go get that. Oh, and also I think in the front here I'm gonna end up putting kind of more of a riser hitch, so I have a 1/4 inch drop, but it's a lot lower than I like. I mean, it will pull it, but I think with the load and everything, it's gonna do a lot better with a higher, a little bit of a higher hitch. So I'm gonna go with a higher ball hitch than this, but for now it's okay. We'll switch that out. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to Lowe's we go. Alright, so we have successfully gotten our trailer home with our wood. I still have, what is it? I still want to take this off, of course. That's going to come off. But we have about 20 pieces or so, I think 19 or 20 pieces of like fairing strip. That's going to be the walls, which is going to attach right here. And then we also have 3 sheets of plywood. Can't see the third one, but there's 3 in there. Third one, you can kind of see it poking out over there. And that is going to be the flooring that I'm going to put in. Still trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. I do have 3 sheets. I mean, flooring wise, it should have covered it, but I want to just make sure that I had enough, so I bought 3 sheets instead of 2, because 2 would have been, what is it, 63 square feet, and this is like 45 or so. Well, no, it's like 60 or so. But I got 3 just because of what we're going to do, and then I think I'm going to put some between this gap here, and then just kind of go from there. But the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to hit this with some Rust-Oleum rust inhibitor. Just because, especially you can see kind of behind there, it's rusty. I don't want to have to deal with that, so we're gonna get this wood off and then go ahead and hit it with that before we kind of proceed with anything else. So, all right, so let's get started on that. Okay, so right now we're actually going to the trailer with the Rust-Oleum rust converter, which is it says rust reformer, but it's rust converter, whatever you want to call it. We're in respirator glasses, whole shebang. Let's see here. We're just gonna go ahead and work on spraying on it right now. I haven't removed the what is it? I haven't removed the toolbox. I just got a couple screws to go on that, and then I'll pull that out. But right now I'm just working on some rust that I can get to at the moment. Okay, so here's what I've sprayed so far. I did buy 2 cans. Slowly working to see there's still rust there. It's not red, so there's a red paint, but you can see there's rust there. Painted over here. My finger is sufficiently black. But I gotta pull it out. I've got most of the screws out of it. I think there's like 2 or so holding it right now. So I'll work on getting that out. But right now I'm just working on painting that at the moment. Alright, let's go ahead and try to spray paint some more of this trailer. Kind of go through that and see. So I've got a lot of it done, but I still got to remove that. So it's it won't take me long though to go through it. Fingers get destroyed. I'm so glad I'm wearing a mask. I just feel all the nastiness from here just like coming up. It is killing my finger to do this. I mean, as long as we're not exposing it too much, you know, this is going to be, a lot of this where the black is going to be interior anyway. Like, probably just the lower lip's going to show, but I mean, it's better to overdo than underdo it. So, and it's worth it, you know. Who knows how long we're going to have this trailer. Thing depends on, you know, if we sell it, how long we have it, you know. But it's better to, you know, increase the integrity when you can. you know, because I'm not going to access this after, you know, I put it all together. But just keep spraying it. Also, I'm glad I brought 2 cans. This one's almost out, which I'm surprised. I almost didn't buy 2, but you know, it worked out. So probably once I remove the what do I think here? The toolbox, I'll probably go ahead and switch to the other one, because this one's maybe about there or so. But unless it's seat rust, we're probably not going to paint it. We're going to paint this a different color anyway, depending. So it really doesn't matter, but we'll see. And I'll probably say someone will say my technique is horrible. I don't care. I don't spray paint for a living, so whatever. It gets the job done. This stuff actually dries really fast. I forgot, it's been a while since I've used this, but this stuff dries like in a couple of minutes of application. Alright, I'm going to call that good for the moment until we remove the toolbox.